Jellied cranberry sauce is a Thanksgiving classic. For a recipe that's quick, easy, and delicious, keep watching. Start by adding half a cup of orange juice and half a cup of water, 1 cup total liquid to 12 ounces of cranberries. Stir while cooking over high heat for 5 minutes. Don't be afraid if you hear them pop. So it's been just over 3 minutes. I first started to hear them popping at about 2.5. So I'm going to keep stirring and cooking. After 5 minutes, it should look like this. Almost all of the cranberries will have popped and will be starting to spit a lot more now. Turn down the heat to medium and continue to stir and cook for 5 more minutes. After 10 minutes of total cooking time, turn off the heat and get ready to strain the cranberries. Put a wire mesh strainer over a glass bowl and then put about 1/3 of the cranberries into the strainer. Use a spoon to mash the cranberries against the side of the strainer, releasing the juice down into the bowl without the skins. Don't fill the strainer too full. If it's too full, it will be hard to smash the cranberries against the sides. Some of the pulp will stick to the bottom of the strainer, so remember to scrape the bottom. After straining the cranberries, add 1 cup of sugar and stir to combine. Although it looks like a lot of sugar, you need to add a good amount of sugar if you want to be able to slice the cranberry sauce like the kind that comes in a can. If you want your cranberry sauce to have a cylindrical shape like the kind that comes in a can, pour it into mason jars. The recipe made a little over 2 half-pint mason jars. 4 to 5 hours later, it should be completely solidified and ready to serve. This cranberry sauce was phenomenal. The orange juice gives it a bit of extra flavor, and even though 1 cup of sugar seems like a lot, in my opinion, it's still not quite as sweet as what you buy in a can. To serve, simply run a knife along the edge of the mason jar, flip upside down onto a plate, and shake the jar if necessary. As you can see, this is definitely jellied, but not quite as firm as what you buy in a can. If you want it to be firmer, I would add a bit more sugar, 1/4 cup, maybe even up to 1/2 cup. But if you add more sugar, it's going to be sweeter. If you want to make this even more interesting, you could add orange zest, cloves, cinnamon, or allspice. I would add the orange zest along with the sugar so that it doesn't get caught in the strainer. And for the spices, I would use whole spices like a small cinnamon stick or whole cloves, put them into a spice bundle, and boil them along with the cranberries. However, in my opinion, just the fact that there's homemade jellied cranberry sauce on a Thanksgiving, Christmas, or special dinner table will be enough to wow everyone. Besides, I feel like if you add too many things, sometimes you aren't quite sure what the dish is supposed to be and you feel overwhelmed by all the flavors. More isn't necessarily better. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, for a written version of this and other recipes, please visit my website parnellthechef.com. And don't forget to follow me on social media. Once again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!